This is the new $300 countryside home right here in Siem Reap. Check it out. And let's check out this house here. I am back out here today, everybody, at the beautiful Garden Apartments. They've got a brand new house out here I want to show you guys. I drove the truck out here and never mind my driving, I'm in Cambodia. Let's check out this beautiful home. Real quick before we start, remember you guys have asked for some more higher end homes for those of you that have a little more budget to spend, and this one here might just be on your bucket list. All right, as soon as I get here, I just see this massively beautiful house, and look at this beautiful place here. Wow, I like this little sitting area, and oh my goodness, we got new flowers. This is awesome. This is out in the countryside, guys, halfway between Siem Reap and Phnom Penh. And took out my shoes here. I love all of the attention to detail. Look at this. They thought of even an umbrella, even though it's not rainy season. You never know when you might need one. Nice vases. Oh, the nice bottle of water. What a nice added touch. Very thoughtful. And of course, the tiger painting. I love that. Look at these nice recessed lighting they got here. Right out here in the Cambodian countryside. This is a privately gated community here, okay? For those of you who want to try wet your feet into some countryside living in a village in an all expat community, everybody here speaks English. The owners speak English. And the nice part about this is for those of you guys who are new here or you've lived here a while, you're looking for a change of scenery and you're tired of the bars, banging out the music all night, which that can be a good time, but when you live by it, because sometimes it can be very difficult to sleep. Stay tuned to the end of the video for the good, the bad, and for what it's worth. So we got this nice little sitting area here. Great place to enjoy your morning coffee. I like that. And this, by the way, is a futon. So if you do have company or a guest, or if you're a couple and somebody's got to sleep on the couch, this is a great place to be. Let's go inside the bedroom here and check out what's next. This is the master bedroom here, all right? And this is all brand new. Nobody has lived here yet. Nice table lamp, which is, I mean, look at the bed is so brand new, still has the plastic. Look at this huge, huge wardrobe for all your Western clothes that you'll probably never need here. I like that Angkor Wat painting. That was, by the way, painted by a local artist right here in Siem Reap. And nice, high quality linens there. It also comes with brand new towels, all right? A nice floor mat. And we've got Mahoney Travels right here on TV watching YouTube, because this is a smart TV for those of you Westerners that want to watch all of your soccer games back home out west. A lot of you UK guys, you guys love that. This TV, you can sign into your Netflix, YouTube, whatever it is that you like right here in Siem Reap, Cambodia. And it does come with a fan, so at nighttime, even though it has air conditioning, yes, it does have air conditioning here. Once you're acclimated, you really don't need the aircon other than maybe cool it off at nighttime. Let's go back through and check it out one more time here. Let's give you guys a quick walkthrough. Nice little outside sitting area here. Beautiful flowers. Nice slabbed cement there. And this is a huge, huge overhang here, okay, if you can see that there. So even when it is raining, you can sit outside here and enjoy the peace and quiet of the countryside. These blinds here are room darkening, so daytime if you want to nap or you want to just relax, it's a great way to get some privacy and make that nighttime happen. Back to the bedroom here, I'll give you guys a quick 360. Very beautiful, very cozy. All right, leave me a comment down below. I want to hear what you guys think about this place. Would you stay here? If so, why? And if not, why would you not stay here? Let me know in the comments down below. All right, let's go out here and check out the kitchen. Now, this is an outdoor kitchen. What I like about this is that you're out in the countryside area. Oh, they've got a nice campfire going already tonight. I like that. Look at that beautiful countryside living. The sun is setting. It's so beautiful. Saverly Show is here. She's going to do some nice cooking for us. Guys, you've got everything you need. Brand new pots and pans, coffee cups, wine glasses, all of the utensils you might need, including dishes. And, oh, look at this. You've got a nice little slow cooker there. I like that. And look at this. Whoa, washing machine. And, of course, a full-size fridge. Now, this does come with a nice cold bottle of wine and a air fryer. We'll check out this bathroom here real quick. And, oh, I like the plant. Very natural. And bum gun. Whoa, whoa. And they've got even thought of everything, guys. They got the soap already, some hand soap. I like this little natural appeal there. And of course, it is a hot water shower, okay? So everything's standard Cambodia here, all in one, easy to clean. And I just left dirty footprints on the floor. All right. Give you guys a quick outside view here. All right. all lit up at night. Oh, look at the nice bamboo. Nice added touch there. There's a shoe rack for you because, you know, Cambodia, you just don't wear your shoes inside. Now, this here door is the kitchen door, okay, guys? So at nighttime, you can close this and lock this, all right? Give you some extra privacy if you need to. All right, let's go around to the outside sitting area here. This is where you can enjoy your morning coffee. Nice little private area here with some nice little tropical plants. I like that. And of course, easily accessible with the kitchen because it's an outdoor kitchen, literally. And look at the ceiling. I never saw this. Wow. Bamboo again. So cool. All right. Are you guys excited yet? I think the Savorless Show's over here waiting for me. She's already started cooking. Wow, I'm really hungry. Let's check this out, what she's got cooking here. And of course, it's always a bonfire because a lot of people cooking over campfire here, which I love. It is the country. And look at this nice little sitting area here. I appreciate that, especially for a Western like me with the fair skin I got. And of course, this is Phnom Krom countryside. So out here, this is all quiet. Occasional move for some cows, a lot of birds in the morning. And look at that beautiful, beautiful day outside here, Cambodia. Wow. I like all of the gardening they have here. Very peaceful, very quiet, a lot of birds, a lot of nature. For those of you that are into that, this will suit you well. All right, the moment you've been waiting for, the good, the bad, and for what it's worth. All right, the good about this place, there's a lot of good. What I like about it is in the countryside, but not so far away from town to where it's impossible to get back to town. If you want to go have a night at Pub Street, you can come out here and relax. It's a short 10, 15-minute drive on a motorbike. By the way, it's always a sunny day out here. It is absolutely beautiful. It is like nature out here, and I love about it. Now, what I also like about it is that they've thought of everything a Westerner could want. The smart TV, really, really nice. You can watch all of your shows at home and still live in Cambodia and save some money. Well, what's bad with that? You get a full-size fridge, a full kitchen, fully stocked. Just bring your suitcase, everybody. I mean, wow. And I live out of a suitcase, and I can tell you, I wouldn't trade this for the world. Now, the bad might be for some of you guys, not for all of you, but for some of you, I want to point out, this is not in the city. So if you're coming here wanting to walk around and do your thing, be close to the bars and the nightlife, this is not your place. I mean, it can be. It's the best of both worlds. But for those of you that just don't want to deal with the countryside, you like city living, Siem Reap City is the place for you, all right? This is out in the province. It's about, like I said, 10, 15 minutes outside of town. For those of you who need that nightlife and that constant stimulation, no peace and quiet, well, this is not your place. All right. For what it's worth, let's talk about this. They do have motorbike rentals available. They discount them, they tell me, for $75 a month. For those of you who live here, normal price is $100, so they do discount that. So for those of you that want a motorbike, they do have that available. Now, this is country living, so you wake up literally to the sound of birds and the sound of nature. And I mean, you can't put a price on that, right? I mean, it's absolutely beautiful out here. It is a village area. So, and a lot of people, believe it or not, in Cambodia, more so than Thailand, they all speak English here. Every kid right now in schools, mandatory, they learn English. They're the next generation of superstars out there. Shout out to Cambodia. There are a couple local markets here close by, all right? They are Cambodian markets, but if you want to save money and you want to cook at home, right up the road, they've got all you can get brand new, farm fresh raised, alive in the morning. And by the time you get it, it is so fresh, it is still warm, all right? All the vegetables are shipped in locally, not even shipped. They're literally from right around the local area here. And you can buy all of those dirt cheap and dirt fresh, all right? Literally. Now, why did I bring you guys this video? A lot of you guys have been asking me for something a little higher end. A lot of you guys like those discount, $150 a month apartments, all right? But a lot of you guys have also requested me to give you guys some more higher end stuff. And this is an all inclusive, everything you need. Just bring your backpack, bring your suitcase, move here. Or for those of you that are slow traveling, maybe you're not going to be here for a year and you just want 1, 3, 6 months, they have that available as well. And you'd be surprised, just like I did. You come to Cambodia, you cannot help but fall in love with this country. It is a place to be, and it is way better than a lot of other countries in Southeast Asia. The visas are easy, people are friendly, a lot of people speak English, and of course the cost of living, come on, man. Morning Travels, I've showed you guys so much. What's more to like about the low cost of living here in Cambodia? This place is ideal for teachers, nomads, digital nomads, for those of you guys that work online, all right? For those of you that are slow traveling, couples, this is a great place for a husband and wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, somebody who's just traveling through, or you just moved here and you're looking for a new place that's ready to go, Western friendly, English speaking, and like I said, everything is already here. So that's the beauty part about that. Saverly Show and Mahoney Travels, we want to give a shout out to the beautiful garden apartments. We want to thank them once again for having us out here to their property and allowing us to make a nice YouTube for them, and for letting the Saverly Show use their kitchen and make some delicious cooking. We appreciate the people here, and always some great friends of ours. You'll find this very friendly community in Cambodia everywhere you go. I've been all over this country, and I can tell you I've never met an enemy yet. So friendly. If you haven't liked and subscribed yet to Mahoney Travels channel or the Saverly Show, feel free to check it out. I'm going to leave you, everybody, a link down below for Beautiful Garden Apartments, all right? And you can reach out to them to contact for more information on this house if you're interested. Also, I'm going to leave their Facebook page at Beautiful Garden Apartment, all right? And of course, the Saverly Show. Don't forget to check out her channel. A lot of great Cambodian things going on over there. She's an amazing cook, and of course, she cooks the most delicious Khmer food. Someday, maybe she'll open a big restaurant. You never know. But if you ever get a chance to eat her food, feel blessed. All right. Until next time, everybody, safe travels from Mahoney Travels, the Saverly Show, and Mahoney Travels. We will see you guys right here in Siem Reap, Cambodia. Good night, everybody.